say it every episode, and I will continue to say it every episode because it's the truth. Coming up right now, like this second, it is my favorite part of the show. It is celebrating you guys in She Works Hard, Saving Money. Now, listen up. It is a new year. It's a new me, and I have a new song. Yeah, She Works Hard, Saving Money has a theme song. You hear it? Oh, it's just fantastic. All right, let's dive in. Madeline said, I am so proud of my daughter Iris, who has been saving her commission money for 5 months now to buy American Girl's Bitty Babies and gear. Here is the first purchase. Jacqueline said, we just got back from our annual family vacation in San Francisco, and it feels so good not to worry about the bill coming because it was paid for in cash. Amber posted in our Facebook community, this is a good one. I walked away from a car purchase today, cash only, of course, because after negotiating, it was still $200 over my car budget that I have been saving for over a year. The dealer looked at me like I was crazy and said, can't you just put $200 on a card? It's strange and disappointing because I wanted the car, but I'm really proud of myself for not dipping into the emergency fund for non-emergencies. There are a million used cars for sale. I can walk away knowing I followed my principles. And she posted again in the Facebook community with this update. I posted earlier this week about walking away from a car purchase because it didn't fit into my cash budget. Well, guess what? The dealer called me 5 days later and offered me a price $100 lower than what I originally asked for, which was $700 lower than what they wanted. So I bought the car. Keep up the good work, Dave Ramsey Tribe. This stuff works. I love that. And if you guys want progress with your money like these people, make sure to visit rachelcruze.com and check out past episodes of this show. It will keep you encouraged and give you some great tips.